Okay, so today it is like negative 15 degrees outside, and all I would like is to be sunny and summer and all things warm. So we are looking forward to trying our new aggressively organic garden. So here goes. Okay, so inside we have the weapons of mass creation, the fabric bag, and I wonder if this might be the coconut. We'll use this to put our seeds in an upcoming video. Then we've got this happy fabric bag, grow food and teach kids, save the world. Bag number 3, it looks like. In here, we've got the cups, the bags, which I think we'll use for solution later on. It looks like we've got some of the growth compound, 2 different types. Looks like there's some reading in my future to find out how to use bag number 3. That looks like that's it for this level. Underneath, I've got an envelope here. I'm assuming it might be some of the seeds. And there they are, all packaged with labels. We did get quite a few seeds as we had some of the early supporter benefits that went with the program, so there's quite a few in there. There's a box here with the famous lights. We backed this August of 2018, and I believe it came early part of December. With the holidays, we decided not to open it until January here. And I know the lights were a big part. So, if you take a look, you can see that we've got our light. So, hopefully my husband's getting a good look at this so that we can figure out how we want to hang this in the box with the light. You'll also find they have a wire here. I'll pull it out so you can see a little bit better. With a hanger, and then a number of clips to attach the light. So there we go. Okay, so I took the time to attach the hanger to the light because we're planning to hang this above our fridge and use the hooks that they've provided to do so. I also decided to plug it in. It looks like it has between a 3 and a 4 foot cable just to make sure that it's working, and it is. So we'll see more of this in an upcoming video. Okay, so then underneath the layer with the light, you will find a pile of cardboard. This is not meant to be recycled, but rather these are the holders for the vegetables and fruit. I don't think I have any fruit. Primarily just vegetables to grow in, and we will demonstrate how to put that all together in an upcoming video. So here they are. And then it looks like I have 2 different heights here. Maybe not. Here's the second height. I know that they had asked what type of items I was planning to grow, that the taller ones are good for tomatoes, the shorter ones are also helpful. Again, I've got lots of reading to do, so stay tuned. Check back next Wednesday when we hope to have an update for you on how the lights are installed. and show you how we get the seeds started. We're hoping that this is a good location. The light should fit above the fridge, and it should be a nice warm space that is out of the way in our tiny kitchen. So check it out next Wednesday.